Iwe asa itiram narigir the name of the Messiah. Amen? The name of the Messiah, ye hats itiram narigir just saying in White House. Wherein Lucia Karpalaniron non, iwe the name of the Messiah is Jesus Christ. Amen? Iwe rakabas Christ, we will not falsely prove, and the anointed one. When Christ, aram narin, sulit by Beramasa, aram kids, our creates and our relationship, nevidan kids, let us Jesus. Amen? So when nakabas Christ, the anointed one, where through the Spirit, anoint you, ang kupatawari to vichin furry, and God's methods, meron kusadawari furry. However, you can't have me sa siyang, kakatawari ang kukuparatso, na hindi rose, because the Spirit of God anoint you, ang kukuparatso, na furry methods, kusadawari to vichin furry, meron. Amen? It's the Lord.